Hi, this is Misha at Citizenserve. Today, let's check out how to add a permit number to a stamp in the online document markup tool. In this video, I'll show you how to create a new stamp with the new permit number field, and I'll show you how to add the field to an existing stamp. You can access the document markup tool in a few places. From the project application, click the markup tool icon next to the uploaded document. From the Documents tab, click the icon next to the document. Or on a review activity, click the markup tool icon in the top right corner. I'll select the markup tool from the review activity. You'll see a list of all documents uploaded to this project. You can choose any document to access the stamps. Obviously, I'll pick the site plan. The markup tool loads, and now I'll click the stamp icon and I'll create a new stamp. When we come back to update a stamp, we'll pick it from this dropdown. I'll give this stamp a name, so I'll type permit number in the name field. I'll also enter permit number in the text field so it will display inside my stamp. You can organize your stamps by adding a group name. If you look to the left, you can see I already have two groups, approved and miscellaneous. You can add a new group by typing in a group name here, or you can select from the dropdown. I'll pick miscellaneous and add this to the miscellaneous group. Now I'll add fields to the stamp. I'll check off the permit number, date stamp, and username. You can use these fields in any combination. The stamp preview shows the fields are overlapped. I'm going to work my way down these formatting fields from top to bottom, and by the end, we'll have a stamp that looks great. The fill option controls the background color and transparency of the stamp. With no fill, the stamp is transparent. When I select the fill button, I can choose the color I want from the color bar and then pick the specific color from the gradient box. The slider bar at the bottom controls the transparency of the background. I'll set this to mostly transparent. Next, I'll select the outline color for the stamp. I'll set that to blue. Outline thickness controls the border of the stamp. Here's what a thick outline looks like. I like it thinner, so I'll set it back to 3 pixels. Font size controls the size of the stamp text and the permit number field. I'd like those numbers to be big, so I'll set it over to the right. You can change the width and height of your stamp with the W and H fields. The width of this stamp is fine, but I'm going to change the height so it shows the data without overlapping. I'll increase the height to 100 by typing in the new value. This change is immediately visible in the preview screen. And now I'll use the down arrow to reduce the height until I like it. 90 is good. Don't forget that there are more configuration options when you scroll down. You can change the outline style to dashed or dotted. I'll keep this one solid. I can change the font family here. And I can share this stamp with other users, so let's share this one with my department. I've completed my stamp, so the last thing I need to do is press the Save button. The new stamp is displayed on the Markup tool Stamps menu. I can add it to the document by dragging it to the position I like. It's just as easy to add the permit number field to an existing stamp. Let's update the approved stamp so it includes the permit number. I'll select the stamp icon again, and I'll select the approved stamp in the stamp field. To add the permit number, I just check the box next to the permit number option. And now let's reformat the stamp so it displays well. I'll decrease the font size. I'll increase the stamp height to give the town logo more space. I like how it looks, so I'll save my changes. Now let's pull the updated stamp onto the site plan. We've just created a new stamp with the permit number, and we've added the permit number field to an existing stamp. Make sure to check out our other feature videos under the Demos tab at citizenserve.com. And thanks for watching.